Welcome to the Sirius Online STAR Preparation and Practice Teacher Walkthrough. This tutorial will show you how teachers can use the key features of the Sirius Online system. This video assumes that you have already been registered in the Sirius e-learning system. If you need help with registration, please refer to the registration help on the Sirius web page. At the sign-in screen, enter your username and password. After logging in, you'll see the Classes screen, which serves as a dashboard that will give you ready access to many key features. The top of the screen has links to the major features that you will need, including your classes, assignments, and help resources. In addition to the main links at the top of the screen, you can click any of the blue text to jump directly to key items. For instance, the class Doe Algebra Period 1 has 4 assignments ready to grade. Mrs. Doe can click the number 4 to bring up a list of those assignments. She could also use the links at the bottom to jump directly to the online courses for this class, the class assignments, the class roster, or the class settings, where she can change the displayed name for the class or the picture associated with the class. One of the first things that you'll want to do is to add the appropriate courses to each of your classes. To do that, click the course link at the bottom of the class. This class already has one course associated with it. You can add additional courses by clicking the orange Add Course button. A list will appear showing the courses that are available to you based on your courseware license. You can check the boxes next to the course or courses you wish to add to the class. The new course will appear on the courses page for your class. To view the contents of a course, click the Open button. After you open the course, you will first see the top-level organization for the course. Click the Open button on a section to open it. Within a course section or subsection, you will find lessons, tests, and practice activities that you can view or assign to students. Let's suppose you're thinking about assigning Lesson 1 to your students. You can first click the Open button to view the lesson. The lesson will open on screen. You can see the content the same way that students will. You can also project it on a screen or large monitor in your classroom. Zoom controls allow you to enlarge or reduce pages. You can use the markup tools to write and draw on the pages. A Notes tool allows you to add sticky notes to the page. This is a place where students could enter answers or show their work. Any annotations you add can be hidden or redisplayed. There's also a highlight tool available for marking key text. If you use the same course in more than one class, the markup you create will be saved separately for each class. Now that you have decided you want to assign Lesson 1 to students, click the Assign button for Lesson 1. You can set the start date and time for the lesson. This is when the lesson will first appear on students' assignment lists. You can also set the due date and the due time. After this time, students will no longer be able to access the assignment. You can also type in special instructions for the students that will appear when they open the assignment. For example, you may want students to only work on part of the lesson. Finally, you can choose to assign the lesson to your entire class, to multiple classes, or to individual students within your class. When you're satisfied with your choices, click the Assign button. A note will tell you how many times you have assigned the lesson. You can click the blue text to see all instances of the assignment. You can click the Edit button to make changes to the assignment. For instance, you may want to extend the due date for an assignment, change its status, or modify the student instructions. Now let's look at the Assignments tab. Click Assignments at the top of the screen. This screen lists all the assignments that you have made for all of your classes. You can use the filters to restrict the list of assignments to particular classes, students, or date ranges. You can click the circled eye icon to get information about the lesson and assignment. You may see information about relevant prerequisite skill lessons. You will also see any student instructions you created for the assignment. To grade an assignment, click the Gradebook button for that assignment. The information for the assignment appears on the left. On the right side, you'll see a list of students in the class, along with information about the status of the lesson for each student. A status of ready indicates the assignment is available to the student, but the student has not started it. Assignments that have been graded show a score in the grade column. If an assignment requires manual grading, you'll see a pencil icon in the grade column. Click either the pencil icon or the View link to open the student's view of the assignment. You can see any markup that the student put on the pages. Click the Score button to enter the score. Enter the number of points and click Save. The system will calculate the percentage for you. You can also leave a brief note for the student if you wish. Just click the bubble in the feedback column. Type your feedback and click Save. Finally, if you need to see the answer key, you can click the blue Teacher Notes link to open a window that shows the teacher pages for the assignment. And that's all there is to getting started with the Sirius Online STAR Preparation and Practice e-learning system. Remember, if you need to see this video again or find answers to other questions, just click the Resources link at the top.